Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. As I explained in my first video this morning, we have different ways of starting the drawing of a chart by putting the dots. As you can see, the number one, 4 lines, the first 4 lines, I drew them or put them down. The first line is short, followed by the second, followed by the third, and the last one is longer than all of them. That is one way of starting it. The second way you can also do it is to first start with the longest line, followed by the second, followed by the third, and the last one will be shorter. You can also do it on the second one. So we have these 2 ways. So you can use any of them. Some scholars says that the first line that you are the dots you are putting down should be more than 16. Should be more than 12. Followed by the second one. So all the lines, the first one you should draw should be more than 12. Then the second one should also be more than the first one, in that order. Some also say that it is not necessary, because when you are drawing the lines or you are putting on the dots, you don't have to count them. It's not necessary counting the dots. And if you don't also count them, you wouldn't know the number of dots. And so that is why mostly it's not necessary. You make sure if there are 12 or there are less than 12, at the end you will get the results. Yeah, so that is one. The second one I talked about in the video, the first video, was the way I positioned the stars the last time and send them to you. Normally it's supposed to start from the right to the left. That is from Yusuf, or anytime you are drawing a chart, your first house should be from the right, then the others will follow by the left side. So that is the way it should be. No one should ever make a mistake and use that first day the explanation or the stars that I sent. Yusuf was on the left hand side, followed by Adam. No, any chart, there's no way a chart will ever be positioned that way, or the stars will ever be positioned like that. It was a mistake, or I just don't see it to be necessary, because no one will draw a chart and then put those stars in that order. When you are putting on a chart, it should be from your right. When you are doing the cancellation, it should be from your right. When you are doing the counting to put on the chart or the counting the dot, it should be from your right, not on your left, please. That's what we'll be talking about this morning.